Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right. So for this problem, initially we have two capacitor in series connected with a battery V C1 C2. V is 300 volts. C1 is 2 microfarads and C2 is 8. Okay. So we can find out the voltage across C1 and C2 and the charge stored on them. So because they are in series connected, so basically V1 will be equal to V times C2, C1 plus C2. All right, so this gives you 240 volts. And V2 equal to V times C1, C1 plus C2, and this is 60 volts. So you can find out the charge based on V1, V2. So Q1 equal to C1, V1. So this is 480 microcoulombs. And because C1, C2, they're in series connected, so Q1 equal to Q2. So they both equal to 480. And the next step, we disconnect the battery and we reconnect the C1 and C2 with the same with the same sign connect the plate with the same sign. So that means we have this setup. So this is a positive side. So positive side connected with positive side. Negative side connected with negative side. Then we want to find out the new distributed charge and voltage across C1 and C2. So because the positive side is connected with the positive side, so basically the charge is conserved in this setup. So we have Q1 prime plus Q2 prime equal to the initial charge stored on Q1 and Q2. So that will be Q1 plus Q2. Okay, so Q1 and Q2, they are here. And then, because as you can see that C1 and C2, they are connected in parallel. In that case, we have Q1 prime over C1 equal Q2 prime over C2. Okay. So we have these two equations, and we have two unknown variables, that is Q1 prime, Q2 prime. So we can solve for the Q1 prime equal to 192 microcoulombs, Q2 prime equal to let me see, 768 microcoulombs. Yeah. And we can find out the voltage across them, because C1, C2, they are connected in parallel, so they have the same voltage. They have the same voltage. So V1 prime equal V2 prime equal Q1 prime over C1. So this result is 96 volts. And then we have another setup, that is we connect them with the opposite sign. So this is positive, negative, and this is negative. This is positive. Okay. And in this case, because we have Q1 prime prime plus Q2 prime prime, because the positive now is connected with the negative sign, with positive side is now connected with the negative side. In this case, the total charge is actually 0. Okay, because Q1 initially equal to Q2, and now it is Q1 minus Q2, so it's 0. Again, we have Q1 prime prime over C1 equal to Q2 prime prime over C2. So easily we can see that the Q1 prime prime equal to Q2 prime prime equals 0. So there is no charge stored on them anymore. And because there is no charge, so there is no voltage across them. So V1 prime prime equal to V2 prime prime equals 0. Okay.